Moment of inertia of a solid cylinder. First, let us calculate the moment of inertia of a solid cylinder about central axis. You see in this figure, this is a solid cylinder and this is the central axis of the solid cylinder. Suppose the mass of this cylinder is equal to m and radius of the solid cylinder is the r. A solid cylinder can be considered as a number of thin circular discs of same radius piled up one over the other. And we know that the moment of inertia of a circular disc about an axis passing through its center and perpendicular to its plane is given by the formula half mr square. So the moment of inertia of the solid cylinder about the central axis is also equal to half mr square, because the solid cylinder can be considered as a number of circular discs all of the same radius, having the same radius, which piled up one over the other. So if you calculate the moment of inertia of the disc, then you can find out the moment of inertia of the solid cylinder. And as we have calculated that the moment of inertia of the circular disc is half mr square, so the moment of inertia of the solid cylinder is also will be equal to half mr square. Now let us calculate the moment of inertia of a solid cylinder about central diameter. This is the central diameter of the solid cylinder. It is represented, I have given here the representation y dash. This is the central diameter of the solid cylinder, and let us find out the moment of inertia of the solid cylinder about this central diameter. Suppose the mass of the cylinder is equal to m, radius of the solid cylinder is equal to r. This is the radius of the solid cylinder, and you imagine a thin circular disc. This is a thin circular disc having thickness dx. Thickness of this circular disc, let us say, is equal to dx, and the circular disc is at a distance x from the central diameter. From the central diameter, we have considered a circular disc having thickness dx and at a distance x from the central diameter. Then what will be the mass of this disc? We know we have taken the mass of the solid cylinder is equal to m. So mass and length of the solid cylinder from this to this, the length of the solid cylinder is equal to L. So mass per unit length of the solid cylinder will be equal to m by L. So mass of this circular disc having thickness dx will be equal to m by L into dx, and radius of the disc we have taken r, and we know that the moment of inertia of a disc about its diameter is equal to 1 by 4 mr square, and here mass of the disc is equal to m by L into dx, and radius is equal to r. So moment of inertia of the disc about its diameter will be equal to 1 by 4 m by L dx. This is the mass, and it is r square multiplied by r square. You have to use this formula. Then applying parallel axis theorem, moment of inertia of the disc about y dash, that is the central diameter, will be equal to, you have to use the formula for the parallel axis theorem, that is I is equal to I cm, that is moment of inertia about the center of mass, plus the mass of the cylinder multiplied by the distance between the two parallel axes, and distance between the two parallel axes we have taken, that is equal to x, and moment of inertia about the center of mass we have calculated it 1 by 4 m by L into dx into r square. That is the moment of inertia of the disc about its diameter. So this is the moment of inertia of the center of mass. And md square means mass of the disk m by l into dx into x square. X is the distance between the two parallel axes. So the moment of inertia of the cylinder about the axis y dash can be found out by taking the integration. If you integrate this from 0 to L by 2 and twice of this integration, because we have to take the integration from 0 to L by 2, then we have to take twice of this integration to find out the moment of inertia of this cylinder about the central diameter. Because you have to integrate from 0 to L by 2 this side and from 0 to L by 2 this side. That is why you have to multiply 2 in the integration from 0 to L by 2. So if you integrate the moment of inertia of the disk from 0 to L by 2, then you will have this equation 1 by 4 m by l r square. You have to put this one here. Then you take common m by l. So here you will have r square by 4 into dx plus x square into dx. Then here r square by 4, this is constant, and integration of dx, this is x, and here integration of x square, that is x cube by 3, and limits of integration from 0 to L by 2, and put the upper limit L by 2 minus the lower limit. If you put 0, the second term will be equal to 0, and if you put the upper limit L by 2, then in place of x, this will be equal to r square by 4 into L by 2. This will be equal to L cube divided by 8. So if you solve the values, then you will get the moment of inertia I will be equal to m into r square divided by 4 plus L square divided by 12, which gives the expression for the moment of inertia of a solid cylinder about central diameter. Now let us find out the moment of inertia of the solid cylinder about end diameter. This is your central diameter and this is your end diameter, and here we have to find out the moment of inertia of the solid cylinder about this end diameter. We have calculated the moment of inertia of the solid cylinder about the central diameter. About the central diameter we have calculated m into r square by 4 plus L square divided by 12. Now we apply parallel axis theorem because these are two parallel axes. So applying parallel axis theorem, moment of inertia of the solid cylinder about the end diameter can be calculated. And we know the formula for the parallel axis theorem, I equal to I cm plus m d square. And this is about this diameter, this is I cm. And the distance between the two parallel axes is L by 2. So this value m into r square by 4 plus L square divided by 12, this is ICM plus mass of the cylinder m into distance square of the distance between the two parallel axes L by 2 whole square. So if you solve this equation, if you add these quantities, then you will get I will be equal to m into r square divided by 4 plus L square by 3. And this is the moment of inertia of the solid cylinder about end diameter.